How to change alarm background on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. Tap the Alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can create a new alarm by tapping the plus button or select an existing alarm. However, there is something important to know. On the iPhone 8 Plus, you cannot directly set a custom background image for an individual alarm. The alarm screen uses the iPhone's system interface, so there's no option in the clock app to choose a separate alarm background. If you want to change the appearance of the screen that appears when your alarm goes off, you can instead change your iPhone wallpaper. To do this, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Tap Add New Wallpaper and select a photo or wallpaper you like. Set it as your wallpaper and return to the clock app. Keep in mind that changing your wallpaper does not create a separate custom background specifically for the alarm. So if you're looking for a setting called Alarm Background in the clock app, that option is not available on the iPhone 8 Plus. And that's how alarm backgrounds work on the iPhone 8 Plus. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.